Is. Where's my bag? Ah, success. Okay, I need 3-point linkage here and pause. Some parts here are terrifyingly steep, man. There's some shots I'm going to do on the way out where it's just vertical, absolutely vertical. And like, one of the golden rules here is never walk at night, man. Plenty of people you just step off into thin air. Where did I get water this morning? Down this way. I'll cut this into shorts for, that's me scratching around this morning. This is great fossicking through here. Decent size too, all volcanic. Basalts and granites. Where did I go this morning? Over there, I think. Right about there is the only access point I've got. If you see around the corner here, I've got to be super careful, man. Like, I'm about 42, 45 kilometres from help. Mate, GoPros and cameras never showed, like, from that point there, just to that point there, would be a 50-metre drop. Come on down, mate. If you fall here, there's no helicopter place that can get you. It's too heavily wooded to be winched in. And probably take 5-6 hours for a paramedic crew to get to you. And that's, if they could find you, there's no reception. Right there is one drop. Now let's zoom in. And that point there just drops that trees right there. You can see there where it falls. And that's a good, have to be near 50 to 100 metres. But you can see here, that would look spectacular in flood. Just all falls straight there. Expecting snow tonight. Anyway, I'm going to filter some water. You'll notice the water looks like that. It's, hang on, let me zoom out. It's not dirty. It's highly mineralised, so I've got a filter that anything above magnesium it takes out, so losing calcium and things like that. Oh. I love this shit, man. Places that are hard to get to. Sorry about the lack of vertical fall, but I can assure you, I'm no dumbass Instagrammer that's going to be on the corner. Oh, let me get that perfect shot, slip, splat. I bet you that video gets lots of likes and views. Oh. World's just an amazing place, man. I love places that are bloody hard to get to. Although, that said, if I was ever invited to go to places like Coolaroo or Sydney Op House and that, or the Harbour Bridge, I'm flying there. I'm leaving the bike at home. I want to be a tourist for a while, but in the meantime, buy pack life. Holy crap, that's steep. Oh, man. I can understand why people don't want to do this shit.